Una sa ating mga balita, personal na tinawagan ni Russian President Vladimir Putin si Pangulo Aquino para ihatid ang kanyang mensahe na hindi ito makadadalo sa gaganaping Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation o APEC Summit.
Batang kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, naintindihan naman ni Pangulo Aquino ang biglang pagbabago sa schedule ni Putin dahil sa nangyaring aksidente sa Russian airliner na kailangan nitong tugunan.
Samantala, hindi rin makadadalo sa APEC Summit si Indonesian President Joko Widodo dahil naman sa domestic issues. Kasalukuyang hinihintay ng Pilipinas kung sino ang papalit kay Widodo sa naturang pagpupulong. Ang ulat mula kay Rocky Ignacio.
Ipinaabot ng Pilipinas ang pangunawa sa hindi pagdalo ni Russian President Vladimir Putin at Indonesian President Joko Widodo sa Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit na idarao sa susunod na linggo. Kinumpirma ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte na nagkausap na sa telepono sina Pangulong Aquino at Putin ukol dito. Ipinaabot na rin ni Putin sa Pangulo na si Russian Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev ang dadalo sa pulong.
I can confirm that President Vladimir Putin called President Aquino last night to discuss matters related to the Philippines and Russia bilateral cooperation, and of course about the participation of Russia in the APEC summit here in Manila in the coming days. The Russian delegation will be headed by Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev. President Putin also discussed with President Aquino the reasons for his inability to attend the APEC summit, to which President Aquino replied that he understood fully well the issues that are confronting the Russian government, and that he also understands the need of President Putin to stay in his country to ensure that the reasons behind some of their domestic issues are fully investigated and threshed out.
Naging pagkakataon na rin ni Putin na ipaliwanag sa Pangulo ang dahilan ng pagtutok nito sa investigasyon ng pagsabog umano ng Russian jetliner na kinasawi ng mahigit 200 pasahero at crew.
Reasons that were discussed are relative to the ongoing investigation on the Russian jetliner that had recently been downed. I say downed because there is an ongoing investigation as to the reasons for it going down, and as you know, a number of Russians suffered or perished in that crash. The President did extend his understanding on the loss of life and recognized fully well that it is a cause for concern for President Putin.
Domestic issues naman ang dahilan na hindi pagdalo ni Indonesian President Joko Widodo. Hinihintay na rin ng Pilipinas ang opisyal na mensahe kung sino ang papalit kay Widodo.
On the matter of the attendance of Indonesian President Widodo, we are awaiting formal confirmation from our friends in the Indonesian government on their representative to be sent to the summit next week. It is quite regretful that President Joko Widodo will most likely be unable to attend the summit. We understand that the pressing matters back home require his immediate attention.
Bukod kay Putin at Widodo, wala na anyang indikasyon na posibleng hindi pagdalo sa pandaigdigang pulong. Samantala, walang impormasyon ukol sa umaning kahandaan ng Amerika na talakayin ng West Philippine Sea sa summit.
Well, all the members of the APEC, all the member economies are fully aware that it's an economic forum, such that geopolitical or political concerns usually take the back seat to the economic issues that are discussed in any leaders' retreat. However, I have no information on the intent of U.S. as a member economy and where they intend to raise the said issue.
Sagot na rin ito ng palasyo sa report na posibleng mabuksan ang maritime issue sa mga nakalinyang bilateral meeting ng Pangulo.
Well, every economy that comes to an APEC summit is fully cognizant of the fact that there may be bilaterals that will happen outside the leaders' retreat, and that the agenda for that is set by the parties that will be engaging each other. As such, I cannot comment on the actual agenda until such time that the bilateral is concluded.
Gate ni Valte ang maliwanag ay ang kahandaan ni Pangulo Aquino na maging moderator ng mga leader ng member economy sa usaping pang-ekonomiya.
certainly when it comes to the economic issues, the President is well prepared to chair and to navigate discussions between different member economies as they take place during the leaders' retreat.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.